Welcome to one of the most challenging places on Earth, the Nissan Arizona Testing Center, starting point for 7,000 quality and durability tests and 800,000 miles of road testing, and a fanatical dedication to make Nissan the toughest commercial vehicles you can buy. Live on the coast? Drive on salted roads? You know rust is a killer. But it's not even close to what we do here. The Salt Spray Tunnel, a 5% salt solution, just like the ocean, covers the body and gets sprayed into gaps, crevices, and components. Once the vehicle is coated, it's time for a bake in the heat chamber. 266 lights, up to 140 degrees, and 95% humidity. Then, just to make sure the salt gets worked into every suspension component, chassis rail, and hinge, we drive. Salt, bake, drive, repeat, over and over, simulating years in some of the most corrosive conditions you can imagine. Rust, we've got you covered. Sometimes the road itself is the enemy, so we test on the most ruthless: fixed stones, Belgian blocks, rough concrete, splash course. After all, this vehicle is your livelihood. Durability is critical, so we go to extremes you never will. Like the shaker. It can simulate any stretch of road or recreate a situation that happened out on the course. Here, our engineers can get hands-on to pinpoint a problem, something impossible in the real world. Then there's the frame twist, a section so stressful it can snap suspension parts like twigs. Components make it through this before they make it onto our vehicles. 185-pound water dummies put NV Passenger through a real workout. Cargo vehicles are tested with racks and bins in place. Real work's not just tough on a vehicle, it's tough on you too. So we go the distance to make sure you're going to be comfortable. And this is no Sunday drive either. Patched asphalt, freeway hop, ruts, and more. Checking for noise, judging ride quality, fine-tuning the steering and handling so that every mile is as good and feels as good as the first. Your job doesn't always end where the road does. So even if the job site looks like a battle zone, we engineer the vehicle to be able to take some big hits. Potholes, dips, even a 4x4 beam, it's gotta hold together. We test the cargo mounting points, so bins and racks stay in place, and we load it up just like you do. Then we take it out on the high-speed oval. So wherever the job takes you, and whatever you take to the job, you don't run out of toughness. Nissan commercial vehicles, with over 7,000 quality and durability tests. Innovation that excites.